Hey y'all, welcome to this video. So today I'm going to be doing a fall inspired makeup look. I had the feeling to do like a brown kind of look, so I'm going to try that out today. Hopefully it turns out well. And I'm going to do kind of like a full face, which I haven't been doing lately. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows and I like slicked them up with edge control and then used the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil from Shop Marseille. And then I already primed with the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of foundation. I'm going to use Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation in the shade 4.05. And I'm borrowing this from my mom. She had it. But I've been using all the other Smashbox stuff. So she's like, oh, you should try this to see how it's working. So I just did one pump and I'm just gonna apply this to like kind of the side of my face. Not too much, not too much. I find like I apply a good amount of concealer, so, and then powder on top, so I don't ever need like a lot of foundation anymore. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with this brush. I need to clean my makeup brushes like terribly. So yeah, that's about as much foundation as I apply. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple, and it's my favorite. Okay, so before I set that, I'm going to go in with some cream contour. I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer in Deep Walnut. And this goes like a long way. And then before I go in and set, I just kind of go over the edges just to make sure it's not too harsh and it's nice and blended. Okay, so for under eye powder, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Medium Deep. This is still my favorite powder. And I just dip in the sponge and then pat the excess on the back of my hand. Then for face powder, I'm going to use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. Looks like this. And I'm going to take this big e.l.f. brush. I want to be snatched today, so I'm going to do a little bit of bronzing with some powder. I use this Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Ebony. I'm just going to go in and set my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. Okay, so for my eye look, I want to do a brown smoky eye, so I'm just going to add a cream base, and this is a brown gel liner from Amuse Cosmetics, and I got this from Shop Marseille. I'm just going to use my finger and use this as a base for the eyeshadow. So just like that, it's just kind of like a base, kind of the same way you would just use eyeshadow base, but I'm just using a brown one. Alright, so that's what it just looks like with the cream base, and that just kind of makes it easier because cream can like blend out much easier. So when you apply the eyeshadow on top, you're basically just kind of setting it. So I don't know, I feel like it's an easy way to do like a quick eyeshadow look. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Morphe palette, and this is the 35M. This is like such a pretty palette. I honestly have not used it enough, but it looks like this. And I'm going to be using these browns over here. They have names, huh? So I'm going to be using, let's see, probably Talk Dirty, Play It Cool, Peachy Keen, Sparks Fly. But I'm going to take this color and apply this to my lid because I want it kind of dark at the base. And I'm basically just going to pat that in since we've already done our base makeup. If you're able to use your finger, I would. Like usually when I have on nails, this would not work. But since I don't, it makes it really easy. Or if you don't like using your fingers, just use a flat, dense packing brush. I just didn't want to look. Wipe my finger off. Just have a makeup wipe and then you can just wipe it off immediately. I'm gonna take kind of like a fluffier brush and take the next darkest brown like that, and then just go above that dark brown. So it's pretty smoked out now. I'm just going to take this color and go just at the top just to make sure it's as blended as I can get it with like a fluffier brush. I'm going to now kind of smoke out the lower lash line with the same colors. So I'm gonna be dramatic today. I got some lashes from the beauty supply. Got the lashes on. I ended up taking them off and then cutting one of the thingies off because they were way too droopy and I hate that look. And then I applied some eyeliner and I used the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner in Black is Black. And I'm gonna take this brown shade, it's like a sparkly brown, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Now I'm gonna take highlighter and I'm gonna use the Milani Strobe Light highlighter. I'm gonna finish off with some mascara and I just used Maybelline Lash Stiletto. I'm gonna take this Morphe lip liner in Trendsetter. And then I just took this Kiss Luxury Intense lip liner in brown for the center. Alright y'all, so here's the finished look. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.